We are in the presence of the Queen of Swords. She has learned from her scars. She can see her mistakes and can learn from them. We have everything in us to be there for us. We don't need to put our trust into others or other things. Be strong. Learn from those scars and that pain, from trusting other things and other people. This is Magical Hours Tarot. I use them for oracle cards, and today I needed her to remind me. Brightest blessings, and God is blessed.